Hey everyone! With this pandemic, traveling scene is transformed, wherein the best option currently is to restrict your travel, but in certain situations where you have to travel internationally, there is a lot of confusion going on around the complete process that you need to follow, especially around the new rules for COVID test for travelers. I will be traveling to India in a few days, and I just got my COVID test done today. So I will be sharing my entire experience around it and all the important links and documentations that you need to do to get your test done and for all the travel requirements. While you're getting your tickets done, it's advisable to get a direct flight, and once your flight is booked, you need to get your COVID test done 72 hours before your departure time. I booked my test through Shoppers Drug Mart. To book your test through Shoppers Drug Mart, you need to go to their website, the link of which I am putting in the description. Once you are on their website to book your test, you will be prompted to share your travel details and your passport details. And once you fill in the same, they will ask you to make payment. I actually paid $199 plus taxes to get my test done. Once the payment is done, you need to download and print the requisition form. After that, you need to call one of your nearest centers to book your slot for the COVID test. And the list of all the centers is also on their website that you can check out while you are booking your test. You will also be asked to enter the rules of your destination country so that they can show you the window of days that you have to get your test done. And this is how it looks like. You can check the rules of your destination country on the website iatatravelcenter.com, the link of which I am putting in the description below. But for people who are traveling to India and who have a direct flight, you need to get your COVID test done 72 hours before your departure. And this is what this website showed me when I entered my travel details and my travel destination. Also check the Bureau of Immigration website for complete details, the link of which I am also linking in the description. Now after all this, your payment is done and your slot is booked for your COVID test. On the test day, you need to take your requisition form that you printed and your passport to get your test done. The pharmacist there will ask you a few standard questions and take the sample through swab. The test result will come in 24 to 48 hours. I'm also waiting for my test result to come. And once you have your COVID test result, you need to upload that to get exemption from quarantine in your destination country. So this was my entire experience and I hope it was helpful. If you have any further questions, you can ask me in comments or message me on Instagram. I'm linking my profile in the description below. Also, I will be documenting my entire travel experience in the coming videos. So stay tuned for further updates. Till then, bye-bye.